Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making coconut flakes. Here I have my cut up coconut meat thoroughly washed. Now with my washed and clean hands, I'm going to be shredding the coconut meat using a grater. I cut my coconut meat into tiny pieces to make it easier for me to work with. And this is what we have, thinly sliced and shredded. Now we're going to transfer to a plate and continue the shredding process. So guys, if you're new here, please kindly click the subscribe button for more recipes, and if you're old, please like and comment. Thank you so much for your support. Now guys, again, transfer the rest of the shredded coconut meat into a plate. This is how much I had because I made very little that I was going to consume immediately. We are going to transfer this to a pan and heat. To a pan, spread evenly the coconut meat. Now guys, please don't use a metal spoon on your non-stick pan. This was a huge gamble because my silicone spoon got seared in very hot oil earlier while shooting this video. So guys, as you can see, our shredded coconut is gradually gaining a brown color as a result of our toasting. Here I added vanilla extract, but if you want snack on it, you can add syrup and cinnamon powder. I promise you're going to love it. But I didn't add them because I was going to make something that needed those ingredients. You can check my channel for the banana bread recipe. I also used it to make granola, which I will show you guys later. This is what we have guys. Like I said, you can use it for your granola, you can use it as toppings. I hope you try it soon. Bye!